How to enable iPhone unlock with Face ID. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Face ID and passcode. This section allows you to manage your device's security settings, including Face ID and your passcode. You will be prompted to enter your current passcode to proceed. Under the Use Face ID for section, you will see the iPhone unlock option. Simply tap on the toggle switch next to it to enable this feature. The switch will turn green, indicating that Face ID is now active for unlocking your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily enable unlock with Face ID. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.